This video will show you how to customize the Polycom Real Presence desktop. Start Real Presence Desktop and select the gear icon in the lower right-hand corner. You will see a pop-up in the middle of the video window. From this menu, you can customize several settings. By default, you will see your profile and account information. In the General section, you can change your startup preferences, automatically start the app when your laptop starts, and enable the auto answer features for incoming calls. In Call, you can adjust the dialing preference, call rate, and quality of service. Frequently, the IT administrator controls the call settings from the management portal. Audio devices and camera settings are often used with a laptop during docking or undocking situations. In Audio Device, you can select different microphones and speaker options. It is good practice to check the acoustic fence, mute reminder, and noise block features. In Camera, you can select available cameras and settings. In Advanced, you can enable closed caption and make Real Presence Desktop the default program for several call types. The Test Features section allows users to try out new features that have not yet been released or are not yet formally supported. Consult with your IT administrator if you would like to try a test feature. Enjoy your meeting.